Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from whatacountry. So feel free to check them out, whatacountry.com. They have a variety of items. So get them while they're there. Let's get you out of the way, thank you. And let's get this open. Let's see what's the best way we can do this. Okay, we got packing peanuts. There's a manifest or not in here. Let me dig for a second. So we have 3 items. The manifest. Okay, there's 3. And we got a mess going on here. I'm going to have a dump bin in here just for this stuff. Bear with me. Almost done. Ready? So, let's see what we got here. We got whatacountry. Looks like it was all hand checked off on the list. So first off, first product should be AR-15. Split this out a little bit. AR-15, M16, M7 bayonet with M8A1 scabbard. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's start this end. We got dross, well, lanyard strings. Feels like a bootlace actually. Interesting. We have number 39 on there. US M8A1 PV/H. And the little boot goes around both sides. You can see the contours there matching both sides. The welds, spot welds onto there, fold over. On the cloth section, we do have some greening that will clean up on the brass. The snap, still in pretty good shape, although there is some discoloration. And then we got this hook right there. Slides freely. A little bit of Cosmoline style goop. And let's pull this out. We have dark blade. Screw handle. Mechanism is in good shape. No binding. And we have some goop at the back. Not sure what that's all about. I'm hesitant to clean on that. Let's see if this actually fits on something. Let's see if this will work. Let's see, I just happen to have this thing. Well, what do you know? Nice. We could actually do a shorter one there. Yeah, it's just a technicality. Now does it come off? Yes, it does. All right. Let's put you away. Save the purpose. Alright, so again, going a little slow today. AR-15/M16 M7 bayonet with M8A1 scabbard. Let's put you away for now. Next is Turkish Mauser Bayonet. It's in plastic. It is taped up. Ziploc. Okay. Keep that on. Oh, I can see why. It's a little bit on the goopy side. Alright. Well, let's see if I got a piece of paper we can snap this on. Wait a second. Let's keep a couple pieces of scrap paper handy. There's the blade. Let's see if we can get the scabbard out of here. Yeah, looks like we got a little project for later today to clean this sucker up. Blech. Alright, so again, Turkish Mauser Bayonet. We do have a scabbard, the ball tip, a little loop there. No dents, some wear, and then cosmoline all over the place. There's a little hole right there. No markings I can see quickly by maybe overlooking something underneath all this goop. But first off, I don't see any markings. Well, something very faint on there, but that could also be just impact marks. On the blade itself, good shape. No rust that I can see. Maybe some patina there. There's our attachment on the handle area. The button is nicely free moving, as you can see. And we have a little bit of dust into there. Packing paper might work. Hey, check that out. Oh, that worked. Alright, so let's see if this happens to fit on something there, since it's being a Turkish Mauser Bayonet. Let's see how this would go on. Well, what do you know? Nice. Okay, and comes off super easy. Very cool. Now on view, get you out of the way. Cute. So again, Turkish Mauser Bayonet. We'll just keep you on the paper for now, because you can see the transfer of oil, and I'd rather not have it on my blankie. Alright. Okay, next, final for today. It's in steel plastic, so we're going to go ahead and open this. No particular direction. Let's do it this way. This is a Yugo-Serbian M57 Tokarev TT 9-round pistol magazine, 7.62 by 25 millimeter. Follower, typical tilting a little bit. The first round should push it down. Any markings? No markings. Flush back. The holes in the side. Yeah, no markings. And it does need some cleanup. Let's see, right? I just happen to have this here. It does not fit my particular model. Unfortunate, but add it to the collection anyways. Yeah, it is not seating. So just to give you an idea what's going on here. Actually, wait a minute. Did it seat? Oh, it does seat. Never mind, my bad. Ooh, okay. Very cool. It's not intended to sit flush. Or is it? I don't know. But this is a Romanian. See that right there? Oh, very cool. So let's compare this to a couple sample, I guess 8-round ones. You can see there's definitely a size difference there, dimensionally. Likewise, the other one here. Yep, it's definitely longer. I'm not doing a terrible job. Let's try again this way. Okay, so flushing my finger. You can see how this one's a little bit longer there. So very cool. All right, let's get you out of the way. Backtracking, we have a Yugo-Serbian M57 Tokarev TT 9-round pistol magazine in 7.62 by 25 millimeter. Turkish Mauser Bayonet with Scabbard. And we started off with the, I know it's kind of dark right here, I don't want to get too dirty, a AR-15 M16 M7 bayonet with M8A1 Scabbard, and these all came from whatacountry, so feel free to check it out at whatacountry.com for their items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, Mauser tools, and other expanded topics. We also have a selection of videos on book review, media reviews, and we also have a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.